I first realized that I was interested in science. As a kid, I think there were a few things. I used to take apart things like flowers and like to look at how the different pieces of a flower fit together, realizing that there was a much smaller world that you can't visualize with your eyes was really cool.
Close relatives that they were either fighting with cancer, they're a survivor, or no, I lost them. That's one of the main reasons that I chose this field.
I was always kind of passionate about helping people and getting into the more medical side of the field.
When you think about curing somebody's cancer, you think of the drug, but you don't think about all the work that led up to getting that drug developed in the first place.
There has been remarkable discoveries in the past in immunology, and BD has been always at the forefront.
They're trying to answer these large questions by building new tools.
And I was attracted to BD because of the purpose, advancing the world of health.
The flow cytometer was one of the major breakthroughs in immunology. Immunologists had this powerful tool to start analyzing all of the cells in the immune system.
Typically, when someone finds out that they have cancer, it's usually via a biopsy. What people are starting to learn is that these biopsies take a large portion of a tissue. Tissue is made up of millions of cells. We have to look at things at a single cell level, and that's where our single cell comes from in our Single-Cell Multiomics platform.
Single-Cell Multiomics is something that we're working on right now that enables us to look at more than one dimension.
The RNA is just one other ohm that you can now attach to your single-cell analysis.
What excites me the most about innovations happening in the multiomics field is the potential impact this will have on our understanding of biology at the single-cell level and how those advancements could eventually lead to dramatic improvements in healthcare.
Those interactions with customers are so important. We need to know what the customer needs.
We do the upfront work. The customers don't have to do it, that piece, so they can just focus on the science.
We do care about the problems you have, and we try our hardest to fix them.
It's making the technologies that allow those researchers to actually go work toward the cures.
If you aren't always aware of what is new in technology, then you won't be able to really be at the forefront of scientific discovery.
The impact that you will make in others' life is the joy of my work. I'm doing something to improve people's life.